Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're in ChatLLM Teams, and today they got Nano Banana Pro, guys. The best AI app, the best AI platform on the market, now has the best AI image generation, and they did it in seconds. It launched a few hours ago. It's in the app, it's ready to go. Let's take a look. All right, so the first step's an easy one. Head over to their website and just click on Get Started. Do note here, it's $10 per user. That is half the price of a ChatGPT license, less than half the price of a ChatGPT license, for example, and you get 100 times more things with ChatLLM. It's absolutely nuts, and I'm going to show you some of them. So anyways, just a quick note there. Now, here we are. We're logged in. Now, before I do that, there's a few people that may not know what Nano Banana Pro is. Well, it's basically AGI for images. I mean, that's the nice way to put it. It has that big banana energy. It's God tier image generation, and it can do pretty much anything. We're talking long form text, comic strips, menus, marketing materials, social media posts, paper and document summaries, classroom and whiteboard diagrams. It literally one-shots everything you can throw at it. And if I was Canva, I'd be a little concerned right about now, because it does it all, guys. It's crazy how good this is. And yes, of course, it is in ChatLLM. So I'm going to show you a few examples on how to best use it. Let's buckle up. Let's log in. All right, once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks just like this. And before we get into the details, let me just show you a few examples actually built in ChatLLM Teams. These are going to blow your mind here. So here we go. Let's start at the left side here. First one here, we're going to recreate this in a second here. Attention is all you need. This is the AI paper, machine learning paper of all time. We took it, we uploaded the document, and look at this. I said transform it into an image of a professor's whiteboard, and it crushed it. Absolutely crushed it. I'll show you that in a second here. Here's another example. We did some photorealistic imagery of a happy fisherman. But here's the thing. We use Hide the Pain Harold. We put him in the image, and look how good this is. This is absolutely bonkers. He's not hiding the pain as well as he should. If you ask me, I should have been more specific. How good is that, guys? Keep looking here. Here's a photorealistic image of a French English Bulldog, which I happen to have, with one floppy ear and one ear sticking straight up. You can't do better than that. In a million years, that looks like the best damn image you will ever see of it. It looks photorealistic, guys. This dog does not exist, but here we are. It looks like it does. It's perfect. And here's some logos. If you want to build a logo, it can do it in one shot here. And if you want to do Grand Theft Auto Vice City 6 or whatever you want to call it, Grand Theft Auto 6, there it is, guys. I got Sydney Sweeney, all Miami Vice in GTA 6. We can do all this and a lot more. Let's get back in here. So here is the main screen. The first thing you want to do here is you want to go down to the bottom, and you're going to see image. When you click on image, watch this. You get access not only to Nano Banana Pro, let's say it right, Curtis. You get access to all the best AI image models. I mean, literally all of them. GPT Image, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, Dreamina, ImagineArt, Midjourney, Hunya, and Imagen 4, Flux, Recraft. It is all in there. It's crazy. Let's go with Nano Banana Pro. Once you do that, we get some options. You can create 1, 2, 3, or 4 images at a time. I like to do 4 at a time because it gives me 4 kicks at the can. You can upload your own image, which I'll show you in a second here, and you can just do a quick prompt. So let's just do French Bulldog reading a book on the moon with a purple rocket flying around, blue stars, yellow yellow, I don't know, let's do yellow planets in the background. Cyberpunk style. I mean, guys, this could be anything you want. I'm just having some fun here. Let's go ahead and let's make those red stars so they'll stand out a little better. We're gonna have some red stars out there. Now, keep going down here. Modify the input prompt for improved image generation results. That was a mouthful. Guys, this is if you want the AI to continue on with your prompt. Like some people, you have a very precise prompt. Turn this off. If you want to let AI have some fun and come up with some unique ideas and just sort of see what you get, turn it on. I'm going to leave it on here because I really like it here. And then finally, while I got your aspect ratio, you get all the different aspect ratios. 16:9 is standard for widescreen YouTube. 9:16 is for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and then everything else in between. 1:1 is great for Instagram. Let's go 16:9, and then finally, guys, you get your resolution, 1K, 2K, 4K. I use 4K. It takes a little bit longer to generate, but the results are always worth it. Let's click on generate. Let's see what we get. Come back in a second, and I'll show you a little more cool things. All right, so let's see what we got here. I mean, I already can tell you this is fantastic. And of course, I let the AI have a little bit of fun with this. Look at this one here. Galactic Tales for Barkers. We've got our Bulldog cyberpunky style sitting on the moon, reading a book. Yellow moon. They've got red stars like I requested, guys. Very good, very cool cartoony style. Again, you can dial in anything you want. That said, let's go another step further here. I'm going to go ahead up here. I'm going to click on New Chat. So we're going to start again. This time I'm going to show you how to upload an image. And in this case, we're going to use an image of Sydney Sweeney because why not? And here we go. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to grab well, let's go ahead and click on image first here, guys. Let's do it the right way. Let's go step by step. Nano Banana Pro. We're going to make 4 images of this just like last time, but here it is, images to edit. This is basically the equivalent of uploading your own image. I'm going to go into Finder, and then I'm going to go to my documents, and you'll see here I've got that sort of meme shot of Sydney Sweeney just staring at the interviewer. Well, that's the one we're going with for this one. So I'm going to grab that, and I'm just going to drag and drop it right there. So it's going to use that image as the inspiration. And then in the prompt, I'm going to copy and paste in a longer prompt here. In a nutshell, pardon me, it's telephoto lens for a compressed perspective aperture. I've selected the aperture. I've selected the lighting. I've selected the rendering, 8K cinematic quality. And then here it is. Woman in the attached upload reference is an uploaded selfie. I want everything to be the same, features, proportions, etc., but dressed like Grand Theft Auto Vice City main characters. So there we go. We're going to have some fun GTA Vice City style. So there we go. I've got that. I'm going to go and select the aspect ratio for this one. I want 69. I want 4K resolution. And then I'm going to hit presto. And look at that. It's going to go. It's going to cook it up. We're going to have Sydney Sweeney in a few seconds in Vice City, and you're going to love it. And then I'm going to show you a couple other techniques while I got you. All right, welcome back. So let's see what we got here with Sydney Sweeney and Grand Theft Auto Vice City. And I can already tell you, these are fantastic. What the hell? Let's click on the first one. This is amazing. That is photorealistic of her. Holy smokes, it's even got the right lighting on her hair. Oh my gosh. The words are spelled correctly. This is just seriously impressive. If you go through them here, oh yeah, that got that pastel colors and the 80s jeans. Oh boy, and the pop-up headlights. Guys, these are amazing. I'm having a good time here. Okay, this one's fantastic. It got all of her attributes correct, in my opinion. But let's say we want to go a bit further. Here's another thing you can do. You may not know about this. I'm going to click on this little arrow here. I'm going to click on that little pen, and then it opens up the editor. So not only does it create with Nano Banana Pro, we can edit. So if I said make her shirt pastel blue color, it's going to go ahead and think about this for a few seconds, and then it's going to edit it with natural language. It's going to blow your mind, and it's going to work. I'll be back in a sec to show you what we got. All right, welcome back. So there's just a quick example, guys. We changed the color of her shirt to pastel blue like I requested. How good is this? Let's click out. And you'll see down here that, again, you can edit the image or you can regenerate the image. So if I wanted to regenerate this and maybe create some new options here, I would click on that button here. I would keep everything the same, but hey, why not? Let's switch that to 9:16. So maybe we do want to go with the TikTok style. 4 images. You can leave the prompt as is. Let's make her shirt. What do you want to do? You want to do a purple pastel? That would be pretty cool. Maybe a purple pastel color, and then I would just click on generate. And the point is, guys, you can literally do all of this inside ChatLLM. Nano Banana Pro is absolutely crazy good. It's AGI for AI imagery. It's in there. The link works. Click on it. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.